Hi everybody, welcome to Vinay's Easy Solution Maths class. Last class we had learned the squaring of the numbers having 5 in its right hand side digit, but today I am going to tell you the very easy method how to get the squaring of the numbers those are having not 5 in its right hand side digit. So let us say consider some numbers. Randomly you may choose any numbers. It's of your own. I am taking just numbers of my own. Let us say 44 square, 53 square, 64 square, 56 square, 82 square, 93 square, 66 square. Square of 44. Last time we had learned two steps method, that was 5 means numbers those are having 5 on its right hand side digit, but today we are going to learn the numbers. Obviously the question will be arising in your mind, if the 5 means having the square, having the right side digit number, and the square will be in 2 to 3 seconds. Today we will learn the numbers those are having not 5 in its right hand side digit, but the squaring also will be calculated without multiplying 44 into 44, 53 into 53, like that. How to calculate very easily? Just follow the method first. So first step, there are 3 steps here. I will explain first, then we will go speedily. It will take 6 to 7 seconds. Orally you will calculate and you will write down on the rough side also on your question or answer sheet. So come to the solution point. Let us consider 4 square, first right hand side digit square, first formula, first method, first step. 4 square 16, 6. If it is carrying only right side digit will be there, then left side digit will be carried. 4 square 16, 6 carried 1. Second step, right into left into 2. This 2 is a universal multiplier. So 4 into 4, 16 into 2, 32. What is carried, we will add that. 4 4 are 16 into 2, 32 plus 1, 33. We will keep right side digit, carry the left digit 3. Then the final step, the third step, final step is left side digit square. 4 square 16 plus what you have carried, 19. This is the answer. This is the steps you learn fast, slowly, then you will move speedily. Randomly you take your own number and find out the square. But one thing you have to remember, you have to little bit prompt in the means memorizing or by hearting this tables first. So at least you must by heart the tables and we prompt in tables, so that you will get a quick solution, quick answer for this squaring of this number. So let us come to the 53. Just mark one point here. 4 square 16 we are keeping right side digit and carrying the left, but here 3 square 9 nothing is carrying, we will write only the number 3 square 9, then right into left into 2 plus carried. Here it is not carrying anything, we will write into left 3 into 5 into 2. 3 5s are 15, 2s are 30, 0 carried 3. Now left side is square 5 square 25 plus 3 28. Now simply we will calculate now. 4 square 16, 6 carried 1, 4 6 are 24, 2 are 48, 48 plus 1 49, 9 carried 4, then 6 6 are 30, 6 plus 4 it will give you 40. Similarly come to this 56 square, 6 6 are 36, 6 carried 3, 6 5 are 30, 2 are 60 plus 3 63, 3 carried 6, 5 5 are 25 plus 6 31. Similarly come to 82 square, 2 square 4, 2 8 are 16, 2 are 32, 2 carried 3, 8 8 are 64 plus 3 67. 93 square, 3 3 are 9, 3 9 are 27, 27 2 are 54, 4 carried 5, then 9 square 81 plus 5 it will give you 86. You may check your answer by multiplying 1893 into 93, and if you are getting correct or not, you may check it. Now come to 66 square, 6 is 36, 6 carried 6, sorry carried 3, then 6 into 6, 36 into 2, 72 plus 3 75, 5 carried 7, 6 6 are 36 plus 7 it will give you 43, 4356. It is very simple to calculate, and whenever you are getting the square of these numbers, you may calculate by using this method. It's a very easy method. Just again I repeat that how to calculate all these, means how to remember this method, this process very easily. One or two more examples I will give you. Let us consider 26 square, 63 square. Only 3 examples I will take. Randomly you will choose your number. You may practice it at home, and if any problem you may ask me also. Then comes 34 square. Now follow the same method. Right side is square, 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 2 are 12 into 24 plus 3 27, 7 carry 2, 2 2 are 4 2 6, 63, 3 3 are 9, 3 6 are 18, 2 are 36, 6 carry 3, 6 are 36 plus 3 39. 4 square 16, 6 carried 1, 4 3 are 12 into 2, 24 plus 1 25, 5 carried 2, 3 3 are 9 plus 2 11. This way you will remember and you will calculate very faster, and even within hardly 5 to, if you practice more and more, 5 to 7 seconds, 5 to 6 7 seconds you will calculate, you will get the square, and faster than your calculator even. So please, if you like, if you have learned something good in a better way, you may like, you may subscribe, and you may share with your friends and your relatives, so that they also come to know some good things and learn quickly, do faster, and wish you all the best. See you in the next class with some new formula, new method, new process. All the best.